everybody, Bryn from ARTspot. I am so excited to tell you all about what is in our new watercolor challenge, Paint by Postcard kit. This is our second annual watercolor challenge, and we've put together a really great kit for you. I'm going to go over what's inside. This is what the kit looks like when you see it at ARTspot. It's priced at $49.99. It includes a whole variety of watercolor items that will get you set up for summer, but the challenge is to paint 30 watercolor postcards over the course of the summer and send them out to your friends, family, and fellow artists. We're doing the community bucket again, which means that you can post and draw addresses from fellow artists so you can get and receive art in the mail. It's a really great way to brighten somebody's day, and it's a fun way to connect with each other. We'll also be hosting a couple different paint in the park, get-togethers, artist meetups in conjunction with ARTspot Sketchers. So we're really excited about this, and let me show you what's inside this year's kit. All right, here we go. So first off, we have 30 140-pound Jack Richardson watercolor postcards. Princeton Heritage watercolor brush. Give it that nice swish and flick and get the bristles to come back to that nice clean point. So this is really what we are most excited about in the kit, is the micro portable painter. So it snaps apart like this. You take off the lid, set it aside, and then pull out the actual palette itself. Then this outer part actually slides on just like that, and this is where you can put your water. And then that lid again, the interior, it can be used as more mixing space. So that slides on just like that, and you can even have this little stand on the back. You can also use this to clip onto a sketchbook if you like to. You'll notice that the Paint by Postcard portable painters do not come empty. We have 3 different Dan Smith watercolors. We're really excited about Dan Smith. It is a local company that manufactures their paint right here in Seattle. They are world-class, top of the line. So we give you 3 different colors of their really highly pigmented primary colors that you can use to mix almost any color in the rainbow. And of course you can fill up the rest of these half pans with the colors of your choice. Every Paint by Postcard kit also gives you a 10% discount on any ARTspot purchase through the rest of the summer. There's more details on our website about that. Yeah, we're super excited about this one. I think it's going to be a really good challenge, everybody. We really hope to see you sign up. We'll be doing a demo on June 4th to kind of kick off the challenge. It'll be really great. Oh! I almost forgot, we even give you a couple of stamps to get started, so you can mail it to your friends and family. We're really looking forward to you joining the Paint by Postcard Challenge. Kits are available now. The challenge officially starts on June 1st, but we will be taking signups beyond that as supplies last. We hope to see you soon, and thanks so much. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.